Hey guys, it's Nubelord and
Orphio again.
and today we're going to be doing a Rubik's Cube race. I'm going to be doing a 3x3. He's going to be doing a 2x2.
2x2. We're going to see if I can beat him or if he can beat me. So we already have them pre-mixed and we're going to start whenever we're ready. So,
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Guys,
I got close, but of course I don't have speed.
yeah.
Maybe next time.
Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Screw you.
I'm just kidding. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.
I will practice.
Hopefully he'll beat me in the future. Not.
Screw you.